Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. I am your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing minced beef, Jamaican style. To do this mouth-watering Jamaican dish, I'm using 4 pounds of minced beef that has been seasoned with powdered season, some garlic, some ginger, and it has been marinating for over 3 hours. Guys, this promised to be a very exciting time in the kitchen today with me, so go ahead and smash that like button. So guys, on another plate, I have my chopped herbs and vegetables all ready to go. So on the plate, I have 1 large carrot washed clean and sliced, a large tomato all sliced. We have some thyme chopped up nicely, some onion, we slice up that, 6 okras, slice up that too, some scallion pepper, and 1 large Irish potato that dice. And people, now put this aside because it's time to deal with the mince. So in a large Dutch pot, people, I have 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. To that, I'm gonna add the minced beef. Now people, if you want your mince to come out nice and good and a lump and in a clump, it's important that you continue to stir it until it begins to cook. So if you notice, I place it in the smoking hot oil and continue to stir until my minced beef have become a light brown or a kind of tan looking color, and then I can cover it to cook. Now guys, while this is going on, I will share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Ecclesiastes 5 verse 19, and it says, every man also to whom God hath given riches and wealth, and hath given him power to eat thereof, and to take his portion, and to rejoice in his labor. This is the gift of God. Indeed, it is a blessing to enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you're new to my channel, why not go ahead and press that subscribe button? Here it is. Press that subscribe button. For all my viewers who have been following me from day one, big up yourself. And for those of you who are celebrating birthday, a very special happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my baby brother, Ayatollah. Your birthday is today. God bless you, and I wish for you many, many more wonderful, prosperous years. So guys, I'm going to jump right back to the meat at hand. I will cover to cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoes, and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Touch this information icon and it will take you to other interesting Jamaican meals that I have prepared. Now guys, after 10 minutes, this is what we have. It smells inviting, and I'm sure that after this, you will leave that tin corned beef on the shelf. After all, you will get better value for your money when you purchase freshly minced beef. Cook up a storm in the kitchen and drop me some comments in the comments section. Let me know if you definitely will try this one in your kitchen. Now guys, it's time for nice up the thing, and you know some love nice up the pot. So I'm gonna add to that a cup of water, and then I will add all my vegetables that I have chopped previously. So it's time to add the vegetables as I have said before, the carrots, the tomatoes, the onion, the thyme, the scallion pepper, the Irish potatoes, the okra, some scotch bonnet pepper. They're all going in, the parsley. Everybody, we're gonna stir this in. Next, I will add a tablespoon of browning, about a 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, guys. We're gonna stir this in. It depends on how dark you want your mince. If you want it not too dark, you can put 1 teaspoon of browning and a tablespoon of soy sauce. It is up to you. Next, guys, I'm gonna add 2 cups of spinach leaves. Now, people, you see, we are getting really down in the gravy of things, right? It's looking awesome. We're gonna just finish spicing this up. Add a little bit more of powdered season, a tablespoon of butter, and leave this to simmer about 3 to 5 minutes, and then the food is all ready. Remember, share my channel with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe. After subscribing, turn on your post notification. All right, guys, so there it is. It is all done. It's minced with a whole heap of vegetable, whole heap of Jamaican love. It's another of my mother's favorite from my pot in my brother's kitchen onto your table. Family and friends, I'm so excited about this meal. Lunchtime has never looked any better. It's minced beef served with fluffy white rice, fried plantain, and cucumber and tomato slices. Thank you for coming along with me on this my Jamaican cooking experience, where I did for you Jamaican cooking, Jamaican style.